Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and I'm asking for a couple of minutes of your time to talk to you about something that's near and dear to my heart and something that Cricut is doing that we can all help participate in. As you know, it's October, and October is known as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I know that many of us have either had it ourselves or we've had friends and family members who have fought the fight, won, and some of them have lost their battles. But there's still a lot of research to be done to try to find a cure for breast cancer. So Cricut is made a pledge to raise up to $60,000 to donate to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. That foundation is one of the best well-known foundations where 90% of the funds raised goes towards medical research to find a cure. So it's really important cause. It's really important foundation that they use those funds to maybe help us in breast cancer. So Cricut's doing a couple of different things here to help get to that $60,000, and you can help as part of the Cricut community. So let me show you what's going on with that. Cricut has put over 200 images in Design Space that's free for the month of October. Okay, whether you have Cricut access or not, these images are free during the month of October for us to help raise awareness of breast cancer. And there's a big variety here, perfect for putting on shirts, making signs, making decals for the car, making things for the fun runs that go on during the month of, and walks that go on during the month of October. A lot of us are involved in. There's the ribbons, so if you need ribbons to cut out, you know, to wear to symbolize that you are thinking about breast cancer awareness this month. There's things for moms, dads, kids. I mean, there is a big variety here. I'm just scrolling through. I'm not going slow. There's so many images that Cricut is giving us for free during the month of October for us to use to help spread the word. Okay? Now, why are they doing this? One, because Cricut is caring and they care about our community, and they are big into supporting causes. So how this is going to work is let me switch over here. Use one of the breast cancer awareness artworks that I just showed you, and you find that by just going into images and typing in the word breast, and it'll come up with all of those. And for each creator, if you post a project online that you've made using one of those images, any image for any reason, Cricut's going to donate $1 towards the Breast Cancer Research Center. Okay, so they're hoping to raise $25,000. So we're trying to get 25,000 creators to make one project. Whatever you want to make, a shirt, a decal, whatever it is, make it, and then post a photo of what you made and tag us on Facebook and Instagram. Cricut wants you to tag them at @officialcricut, and then I want you to tag me #SMQDpink, the word pink, and Cricut's going to be looking to see who has used the images, and then when they reach, for every creator who posts, they're adding $1 to the fund. Okay, so let's get those 25,000 creators out there, and let's get the maximum amount Cricut's going to donate for that into the fund. All right, you with me on that? So if you tag me #SMQDpink during the month of October with the project you've posted, I am going to be randomly selecting winners to win some extra prizes that would come strictly from me. And I just as a little encouragement, and also I want to see what you're creating. It's really important. All right, so there's something else that's going on. The next thing is Cricut has created these special breast cancer awareness bundles of products. Okay, so of course they're all pink themed, and these are going to help us raise the rest of the money that Cricut wants to hopefully donate to the foundation. So For every one of these that's purchased, there's a dollar amount associated with it that Cricut is donating to the cause. So we're hoping to raise $35,000 by people purchasing these bundles during the month of October. So let's look at those real quick. The first one is Breast Cancer Awareness Materials Bundle. So if you've already got a Cricut machine and you don't need a new machine, you can at least support the cause by buying one of these bundles. The bundles are about a 50% off value, so you're already getting a lot of value off of it. And for this particular bundle, you know, there's iron-on, there's various things. You can read more about what is included in that particular bundle. And let's see. All right, so this is the Breast Cancer Awareness Materials Bundle. Then there's also the Cricut Easy Press Breast Cancer Awareness Bundle. That's the rose, okay? So you get the beautiful rose-colored 10 by 12, which is great for t-shirt making. You get a variety of iron-on materials to use, and you get the weeding tool kits. So those are all things that you need to have, and even a paper trimmer, all right? So this is a great bundle to have as well. And again, it's a very good value that Cricut's put this bundle together, and $10 from every sale of these goes towards the $35,000 that for the Breast Cancer Research Center. Now they've got a third bundle, and this is the Breast Cancer Awareness Fuchsia Bundle. So this is a Cricut Explore Air 2 in that beautiful fuchsia color, and you get all of these supplies. So there's pens and tools and a crafting mat, and I mean just a big variety. You can there again read what's included in this. Again, it is a absolutely fantastic value, up to 50% off. And if this bundle is purchased, they're donating $25 from the sale of this item towards that goal of $35,000. So this is a great deal. And if you are looking to upgrade to a Cricut Maker machine, they even have put a bundle together of the Rose Cricut Maker. So the rose is the color that's on the top of the machine. The rest of it's white, but all the Cricut Makers have a color on the top lid, and it's kind of a metallic-y color. It's really pretty. And so this also has a big variety of materials that you would use with the Cricut Maker, and there again, it is a fantastic value. So those are the 4 bundles that if you purchase one of those during the month of October, it goes you're helping raise funds towards the Breast Cancer Research Center. So if you don't need a machine but you have a friend that needs a machine, now's the time to help encourage them to go out there and buy one, because it's a good deal. So I will post a link, so if you will shop pink using my link, I appreciate the support of you doing that. And then to help bring your costs down a little bit, if you use the promo code for the materials bundle SMQD03, you'll get an extra 10% off plus free shipping. If you purchase any of the machine bundles, you can use the promo code OCTSHIP, so it's OCSHIP, and you will get free shipping in the US and Canada, which will save you some money there. And if you're a Cricut Access subscriber, you get 10% off of everything you purchase automatically. So that's another great deal. Anyway, so I'm asking you, would you please help make a difference? Will you please participate either by creating something or by purchasing something during the month of October to help support this worthy cause to raise $60,000 for the Breast Cancer Research Foundation? Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to answer those. And thank you so much for taking a few minutes to listen to this. Please share this message with others and let them know that this is going on during the month of October. And let's band together and help find a cure. Thanks.